Are you dreaming of starting your own business but worried about the initial investment? You're not alone. Many aspiring entrepreneurs are seeking opportunities to build their own ventures without breaking the bank. The good news is that there are plenty of small manufacturing business ideas that you can launch with a low initial investment, making your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. In this video, we'll delve into some of the best and most promising ones. These businesses are not only accessible, but also have the potential for significant growth and profitability. First up, let's explore the exciting world of candle making. Candles are perpetually in demand, and the materials needed are relatively inexpensive, which is a major advantage for those just starting. You can unleash your creativity by experimenting with an array of different scents, vibrant colors, and unique shapes to craft a distinct product line that captures the attention of your target audience. Think about offering seasonal collections or specialized candles for aromatherapy, meditation, or special occasions to expand your market reach. Next, consider a soap-making business. Similar to candle making, soap making requires readily available and affordable materials. Along with a wide scope for creative expression, you can create an array of soaps, including those infused with essential oils, tailored for sensitive skin, or designed with specific benefits in mind, such as moisturizing or exfoliating properties. Consider using natural ingredients and eco-friendly packaging to appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Another compelling option is to manufacture custom stickers or labels. With a good quality printer and various sticker paper types, you can produce personalized stickers and labels for a wide variety of uses. Businesses and individuals alike are always in need of labels and stickers, providing a consistent and reliable customer base. Explore niche markets, such as event stickers, product labels, or decorative stickers for journals and scrapbooks, to carve out your unique space in the market. Consider starting a small-scale jewelry-making business. You can create unique and eye-catching pieces using inexpensive materials like beads, wire, pendants, and charms. Selling your jewelry online through platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs and markets can be a fantastic way to introduce your creations to the world and build a loyal customer base. Focus on unique designs and quality craftsmanship to stand out. Moving on, a t-shirt printing business is a fantastic idea with a lot of potential. With a heat press, a reliable printer, and some blank t-shirts, you can bring custom designs to life. This is perfect for local events, sports teams, personalized gifts, or online sales through e-commerce platforms. Offer a wide selection of t-shirt styles and sizes to cater to a diverse customer base. And consider incorporating trending designs to stay relevant. Another great option is to manufacture handcrafted wooden items. Small wooden crafts, like toys, signs, or decorative items, can be made with basic woodworking tools and utilizing wood scraps, minimizing material costs. Focus on creating unique and appealing designs to attract customers and consider offering customization options to increase sales. Sustainable practices, like using reclaimed wood, can further enhance your brand appeal. Consider a business that creates and sells custom pet accessories, such as collars, leashes, bandanas, and even small pet beds. Many pet owners love personalized items and are willing to invest in high-quality accessories for their furry friends. Develop a brand that emphasizes comfort, durability, and style, and consider offering custom embroidery or monogramming to personalize products. Finally, think about starting a digital product business. While this isn't a physical manufacturing business, the potential for high profit margins and minimal investment makes it a great option. Create and sell digital products such as templates, printables, digital art, or even online courses. The investment is low, as you only need a computer and the necessary software, and the profit margin is generally high. Market your products on platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or through your own website to reach your target audience. Remember, starting small, focusing on quality, and providing excellent customer service is key to success.